Hey, what's up, guys? I got a new piece of software I want to give you. No sign up, nothing. Just something I built because I needed it. And, well, you might need it too. This is called the Copy MultiTab Links. Basically, all the tabs that you're using within your browser, you can copy them all and use them any way you want. So URLs only, you could do title URL, markdown list, or HTML. If you want to add them to a website or something, it's up to you. Okay. So check this out. I got Pinterest here, YouTube. I got my how-to page, Facebook, and let's say, and this random page here. So let's go. I click on the tab, or I should say the software, copy multiple link tab. And let's say I want URLs only. So I'm going to click here. I can copy the highlighted tab, the tab that I'm on, copy all tabs in this window, or copy all tabs for all windows. So I'm gonna do this. As you can see it, I just got the links. Let's say I want to go with the title and URL, same thing. I have the title and the URL. Okay, let's say I want to go with a markdown list. Do that again. Okay, so everything's marked down plus the URL. And if I want to do HTML, same thing. Okay, very good. Once you do that, you just copy whatever you want. And now you have it and you can put it anywhere you want. So this is a tool I use if I want to do like bulk research on a page or something for multiple just SEO. There's a ton of reasons why you want to do this. But yeah, this is how you use this tool. It's yours. Just check out the link below. Nothing to sign up, nothing to pay. It's yours free. Enjoy. Let me know your thoughts on it. You might have use in this. I don't know how far along you are on your journey online and how you use different tools to earn online and to, speed up, expedite different parts of your online business. But this is a tool that I created out of my own necessity. So if it's any value to you, by all means use it. Let me know your thoughts. Be good, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll create more videos like this. Be good.